Are you a T-shape software engineer? What is T-shape developer? Is it really worth it to be a T-shape developer? Or why to be a T-shape developer? What are the secret of becoming a T-shape developer? Is there any drawback of becoming a T-shape developer? Hey developer, welcome to a new video of Software Engineering Live series. Today in this video we are going to talk about T-shape developer. So let's start. First discuss what is the meaning of this T-shape developer. The concept of this T-shape developer originated from the idea of having both breadth and depth in skill of a particular domain. The vertical stroke of the letter T represents that you are a master of a particular technology, and the horizontal stroke of the T represents that you have the breadth knowledge of the whole tech industry. Let's take an example. Let's say you are a backend engineer. That means you have the in-depth knowledge of backend. So that is the vertical stroke. And if you know a little bit of front end, a little bit of DevOps, how AWS works, or design, project management, testing, all these things, then that is the horizontal line of T. That is the breadth of T. So in order to be a T-shape developer, you need to know the depth knowledge of a particular skill. And you also need to know the surface level understanding of some other technology also. Now the questions arrive, why to be a T-shape developer? What are the advantages of becoming a T-shape developer? So the first point is visibility. One of the key advantages to be a T-shape developer is visibility. By having a breadth level of understanding of your whole domain, you can easily switch your role or the technology very easily. Whether it is a front-end technology, whether it is a back-end technology, whether it is a DevOps technology, if any emergency happens, then easily you will be able to switch technology, you will be able to switch your role in the organization, and you will be able to handle that responsibility on the go. Because you don't need to train for a whole 1, 2 month, 3 month period of time just to switch a role, or let's say someone is absent in your organization. So you will be able to handle their responsibility as well, right? Now the next point is effective collaboration. In today's collaboration and work environment, effective communication and teamwork is the essential part. And a T-shape developer is pro in all of this because they can understand the point or the thought of their colleague very easily. Whether it is working with designer or front-end technology, front-end team or back-end team or QA team, a T-shape developer can bridge the gap and maintain a smoother collaboration. Now the third point is adaptability to a new technology. The tech industry is constantly changing. Every time a new language is coming, a new framework is coming, new way of security is coming, new technology is coming at all. Being a T-shape developer means you are not stuck with one particular technology, but you are open to change your technology. You have the breadth level understanding of each and every modern technology, and very easily you will be able to adapt with that new technology with the help of this T-shape developer skill set. So adaptive to a new technology or tool is another plus point of becoming a T-shape developer. So now we already have understand why to be a T-shape developer. But now the question arises, how to be a T-shape developer? Yes, now let's discuss that how to be a T-shape developer. The first point is determine the area of your interest. In this industry, you cannot be pro in everything. You first need to choose that on which tech you want to take this vertical line. So first choose that technology and be a master of it. Whether it is a front-end industry, whether it is back-end, whether it is DevOps, QA, or team management, product management, anything, be the master of this. Focus on gaining the core of any of this tech. Now the next point is expand your horizon. You have expertise in a core technology. Now it's time to understand the breadth of your whole ecosystem. What other developer is doing, what are the other field, how front-end engineer are collaborating, what are the main key principle of becoming a front-end engineer, what are the key point of a DevOps engineer, all these things. Take the initiative to learn all other aspects of your industry. That could include learning a new technology or learning a new framework or deep dive into DevOps, or maybe you are learning machine learning. So you are going breadth of all other technology after becoming the master of one. Now the next point is participate in collaboration. Effective collaboration is a main point of T-shaped developer. Look for an opportunity to work in a cross-functional team where you will be collaborating with other teammates or other team of other tech stack who have different background, who have different skill set, who have different way of solving problem. Practice active listening. You need to be a good listener to be a T-shaped developer, and also you need to know how to communicate with the team. Try to be in the meeting of other teams also. I know every time it is not possible, but always try to be in the meetings of other teams also, from where you can gain your knowledge. Now the next point is embrace continuous learning. Your journey of this T-shaped development is not a single point. It's not like binary 0 to 1. Today it was 0 and then after one day struggle, 2 days struggle, it will be 1. The learning definitely not 0 to 1 binary switch. It is a continuous process. You need to learn continuously. You need to be with all those meetings continuously. You need to talk with other team members continuously. It's an ongoing process, not like one day you will become a you can declare that yes, I am a T-shaped developer. No, that doesn't happen. You need to be in the journey and you need to take that initiative from you inside that yes, I want to be a T-shaped developer, so I need to upgrade my skill continuously. Whether it is an online course or book or some workshop that are happening, you need to attend those. Never stop expanding your knowledge and pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. Now at the end, the last question is there any drawbacks of becoming a T-shaped developer? Yes, definitely there are a lot of drawbacks of becoming a T-shaped developer. The first point is less expertise in one particular area. Yes, sometimes what happened to be a T-shaped developer, instead of learning the depth of a particular technology, what people do, people started learning each and every technology, something like this. So that's the main problem of becoming a T-shaped developer. You can survive with a I-shaped developer. Let's say you have the knowledge of a particular domain. At that time, you will be able to survive in this industry because you are pro what you are doing. But instead of having the knowledge of a particular domain, if you have knowledge of each and every domain a little bit, that is more dangerous because you are not pro of anything. So your first target will be to be a I-shaped developer, then focus on T-shaped. You need to know the main basic funda of one technology and then you need to go in breadth of other techs. The next drawbacks is people may think that you know everything about the industry. Some people may assume that you know everything about this industry. That means you are pro in each and every technology. But that is not a T-shaped technology. T means you are pro in one, but you have surface level understanding of other tech. You are not pro in those other tech. It is another drawbacks of becoming a T-shaped developer. Because the meaning of T is that you will have the surface level understanding. You cannot be the expert of each and every field. Now the next challenge or drawbacks is hard to keep up with the changes. Technology changes very quickly and new things are coming every single day or maybe every single year. Some new tech, the new way of solving problem is coming. If you are trying to keep up with everything, it can be overwhelming. T-shaped developer may find it hard to stay updated with the stuff across different areas. It is another disadvantage of becoming a T-shaped developer. Now the last point is confusing about the role. When you are working in a team, it's important to know what your job is. But as a T-shaped developer, it can be unclear what exactly you are supposed to do. This could lead to misunderstanding and disagreement within the team about who is responsible for what. At the end, T-shape developer is not only just acquiring the skill of your whole domain, but also it's a mindset. The mindset of open to other technology, the mindset of learning, the mindset of grow will make you a T-shape developer. So embrace the T-shape approach and embark on your journey to becoming a versatile and highly skilled software engineer.